All right, we're back with another hieroglyph today. So what is this one? That's what we'll get into in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd click subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos like this one. All right, so what is this? This is actually a combination of two different hieroglyphs in one, and they can be used separately or together as this sign. So one actually has a sound value of heb, dotted HB, and the other as hab, dotted H, aleph, B. Together, they're usually used for the sounds heb, but they can also be used as a determinative, either separately or together. And if you don't know what a determinative is, I recommend you download my free half-hour hieroglyphs guide, which will be linked in the description below. All right, so in what ways was this combination sign used? It was, as I mentioned before, used for the sounds heb, dotted HB, and could also be a determinative. Now, usually in both cases, it's mostly used in words related to festivals. So you could use this to write the word for festival, which is heb, and you could write it also as a determinative in names of festivals, and also sometimes to write out the names of festivals. So for example, the heb said, that is, or the said festival, which is often called a Jubilee festival in translation, was a festival celebrated for the king as a kind of renewal of his life and his reign. Now, this varies depending on the king we're talking about, but generally speaking, the Hebsed was supposed to take place around the 30th year of the king as a kind of rejuvenation and renewal, and then again every 3 years after that. All right, so that's Heb for you. I'll be back with another hieroglyph soon.